Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about the NRE accounts. NRE accounts are the non-residential external accounts. These accounts are opened by NRIs, and let me discuss about something more about NRE accounts. NRE accounts are opened by the NRIs, those people, so Indians who are residential, who is having residence outside the India. The purpose of the NRE account is to deposit the foreign currency income that NRIs are outside the India. Like if you are earning salary or you are having the income from the business outside the India, then you can park that income in NRE accounts, and there are lots of benefit of it. First of all, whenever you will park your external income into the NRE account, you obviously thing is that you will going to park in the foreign currencies like euro or dollar. That currency will going to change into the INR, and that will be shown in INR only in your account statement. There are three types of account that you can open under the NRE: simple saving account, fixed deposit, or recurring deposit. These are the three kinds of account that you can open under the NRE head. Facility available: whenever you will open the saving account, bank will provide you the check facility, debit card, and internet banking facility, so you can easily do the different kind of transactions by yourself. First, then you can open NRE account jointly with another NRI. You can open jointly with another NRI, not with Indians. So whatever the income that you will going to earn in NRE accounts, in fixed deposit or saving account or RD, that is totally tax free. No Indian government will not going to tax any kind of tax on your income. And the most important thing is that the whatever money that you have parked in the NRE account is fully repatriable. This means that whenever you want to take out that money, no one is going to ask you any question, and that is 100% repatriable without any limit. Whenever you have the FD account under NRI, you can avail the overdraft facility for that. If you are having NRE account, then you can also avail the other loan facility like NRI car loan, NRI home loan with the lowest rate of interest in the market. Nomination facility is also available. You can nominate anyone whom you desire to be in your account, so that there will be no any hurdle if anything something wrong happens with you. The documents required for opening of NRE accounts are application form, your passport, your visa, your work permit or visa, or any kind of document which show the evidence that you are living outside the India for any specific purpose. PAN card, FATCA form, and CYC annexure. Because these are the general common documents which you are required if you want to open your NRE account in any of the branch, either it is SBI, ICICI, or anywhere. Now, how you can open the account? Since you can, I think that you should go with the SBI, because SBI is having 200 branches across the all over world, excluding India. So 200 branch, you can walk in any of the branch and ask them to open NRE account. They will provide you form, as well as they will guide you and assist you in every aspect and help you out to open the NRE account. If you are an NRI, then I recommend you to open NRE and NRO both accounts for the future purpose, because you will going to need them whenever you want to do any kind of transaction related to India. Most of the NRIs have choices of investment in real estate in India. So if you are having these two accounts, then you can easily do the investment thing. Friends, I think that I hope that you have liked my video very much. So please subscribe and like my channel, and as well as share my video among your WhatsApp group so everyone can benefit out of my information. Thank you, friends.